Question 28c, Part 1. While Sandra is on holiday, she visits countries where the Fahrenheit temperature scale is used. She knows that the correct way to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit is multiply the Celsius temperature by 1.8, then add 32. Find the value of A in the following table. We can form an appropriate equation involving A from the table and then solve the equation to find A using either the backtracking or the balancing method. So starting with A, which represents the temperature in Celsius, the rule to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is to take the temperature in Celsius, multiply it by 1.8, then add 32, and the result is 77 in this case. So reversing these operations, the last operation was adding 32. So reversing that, we subtract 32 from 77. So A times 1.8 is equal to 77 minus 32. And 77 minus 32 is 45. So the equation now is A times 1.8 equals 45. The next step is to divide by 1.8, which is the opposite of multiplying by 1.8, which will make A the subject of the formula. So reversing this operation, we get A is equal to 45 divided by 1.8, which equals 25. Therefore, the value of A in the table is 25. Part 2. Peter uses the following method to approximate the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Add 12 to the Celsius temperature, then double your result. Express Peter's rule as an algebraic equation. Use capital C for the Celsius temperature and capital F for the approximate Fahrenheit temperature. The rule is add 12 to the Celsius temperature, then double your result. Let capital C represent the temperature in Celsius. Now the first part of the rule is add 12 to the Celsius temperature. Algebraically, that can be written as capital C plus 12. The next part of the rule is then double your result. And we do that by enclosing the capital C plus 12 in brackets and then multiplying that by 2, and that equals capital F, which represents the approximate temperature in Fahrenheit. Rewriting this rule to make capital F the subject, we get capital F is equal to capital C plus 12 in brackets times 2, or we can write it as capital F equals 2 outside of capital C plus 12 in brackets.